If you've been eyeing HeartGalore.shop and wondering whether it's the real deal or just another too good to be true scam, you're not alone because today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know before you even think about spending a single dollar there. HeartGalore.shop claims to offer massive discounts, up to 80% off, on home decor, kitchen items, and women's fashion, which honestly sounds almost too good to resist. But when I dug deeper, a few red flags popped up fast. First off, the site was only recently registered in December 2024, which means it's brand new and hasn't built any real trust yet. Plus the product images? They look suspiciously copied from other websites, not original at all. It gets worse, there's absolutely no information about who owns or runs the site. No company details, no background, nothing that would normally make a shopper feel secure. And when it comes to reviews, it's the same story, no real customer feedback anywhere. Just a few sketchy testimonials that seem fake. Even their Facebook page has deleted negative comments, which raises even more questions about transparency. All in all, HeartGalore.shop feels very risky right now. And while I didn't find solid proof of it being an outright scam, there are just too many warning signs to ignore. If you're thinking about buying from them, I'd strongly recommend being extremely cautious, or better yet, holding off until the site builds a proven reputation, because sometimes if it looks too good to be true, it probably is. Would you trust a store with this many red flags? Let me know what you think.